Good morning! Today is my last day in Japan. I'm in Yokohama and I'm going to be doing some last minute shopping here at the malls in Yokohama. And I also need to figure out my shuttle bus for tomorrow. So the earliest departure is 6:50 a.m. And if I caught that one, I'm barely catching my flight with a 2-hour arrival. So I need to make sure I catch that train or shuttle. It's a shuttle from my hotel to Haneda Airport. And when I took the shuttle last night back to my hotel after dropping off my car, I was in Narita Airport. I checked in here, I went to Narita Airport, and then I took the shuttle back here, the last shuttle of the night. And I had to buy a ticket beforehand, so I'm assuming that that's how it works leaving to Haneda Airport as well. So I need to kind of figure that out because I really don't want to miss that first bus because then I'm missing my flight altogether. Today it's going to be up to 20 degrees Celsius here in Yokohama, and it's raining right now, but it's going to stop by 2 p.m. It's also supposed to be very humid, but I can finally dress very cute, very light, and it's a welcoming surprise because I didn't expect to have even one warm day while being here. But yeah, I'm very excited to go out dressed all cutesy and do some shopping. So I'm basically ready. I'm just gonna grab my backpack. I'm gonna do a backpack today and put in my purse. Just my backpack, that's it, and whatever I need will be in there. And go around and shop. Oh, and I'm going to the Gundam Factory today. At some point today I'm going. Very excited because that was one of the hot ticket items that I want to do here in Yokohama. I know that there's a mall like right next to me that has another Shonen Jump and Pokemon Stadium shop, so I'm probably gonna check them out, see if I can get an even different stamp. Maybe there's different stamps based on location, so that would be awesome. And maybe buy some more Shonen Jump merch, maybe, just maybe. I also will probably do some yukata shopping, so there's that. For breakfast, I had coffee and I had one Kobe strawberry pudding. I'm honestly not hungry. I feel like I've been eating so much lately and drinking so much that I'm just like, I feel like I'm just spilling out of myself, honestly. So I don't want to eat anything for lunch, breakfast. Maybe later I'll grab a dinner. Last night I did grab Subway at the airport. I got like a 6-inch and that was already like so much food for me, especially like with the drinking and snacks later in the evening. But yeah, hopefully today is an amazing adventure, an epic closure for my vacation, my adventures here in Japan. And with that being said, I'm gonna head out and enjoy the day. See you.